Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bag. How are you all? And today we are at Universal Orlando, Universal Studios, and we are hitting the Simpson ride. Whether you are a die-hard Simpson fan or just looking for a hilarious adventure, this one is a blast, total blast. So let's get ready for a ride through Springfield where anything can happen. As we step into the queue, you are pretty much walking into the heart of Springfield. From the quick E-Mart to Lard Lad, everything is here. It's like stepping straight into a show. If you have ever wanted to grab a drink at Moe's or see where Homer works, I believe this is as close as it gets.
I have no idea how much longer it is, so here to entertain you are
Check out these details, the sign, the funny little bit of humor, and all the familiar faces. You'll probably spot a few of your favorite characters along the way. But don't get too comfortable because things are about to get really crazy on this ride. All right, here we are in our room. So I guess we are going to get a pretty intro about this ride. This is looking really exciting to me. This is one of the most famous rides among all the rides. And here we are.
जाएगी of course I'm sure.
Alright, we are getting ready to hop on. The ride is a motion simulator. So get ready for some wild twists, turns, and definitely a whole lot of laughs and fun.
You done like Ducky!
Oh my god.
If you have ever wanted to hang out with Homer and the gang, I guess this is your chance. And we are off right from the start. It's like being in an episode of Simpsons, totally ridiculous and super fun. It's like a whole bunch of Springfield madness thrown into a blender and served up in the best way possible. Look at this, Homer got us flying through the air. Bert is trying to keep it all together and Bart's probably up to no good. So you'll be laughing whole time as the gang takes you to a wild adventure through the weirdest part of the Springfield. Seriously, it's like you have stepped into an episode and it's total chaos and best kind of chaos.
A piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
I must say that ride is too much thrilled and animation and effects are just spot on.
I hate chain reaction!
So as we wrap, there is a Homer making one last messing of the things, of course, but honestly, that's what it makes so fun. And Simpson Ride is just a pure entertainment, packed with the laughs, thrills, and whole lot of silly moments. So this was Simpson Ride for you, and if you are in a mood for something hilarious, chaotic, and just little bit outrageous, you have gotta check it out. So this was our video today. If you liked our video, So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for more such fun videos and more travel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.